Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my latest purchase from Temu and share it with you. Honestly, you might not believe that you can find stuff like this. You can find these things on the Temu website, things that sometimes you can't find anywhere else. My latest purchase from Temu includes a bunch of different things that all came together in a big box. Maybe some of them will be useful for you too. There are some really amazing things with great prices. For everything I bought, I'll put the link for you. I'll share the link for each item so you can go and order it for yourself. The things I bought are really high quality and honestly great for a healthy lifestyle. In my opinion, everyone should have the things I'm about to show you. So keep me in mind and consider getting some of these for yourself as a kind of treat, because it can make a big difference in your lifestyle and make you feel good. So let's go and I'll show you everything I bought. The first thing I bought is actually this castor oil pack. You might be wondering, what is a castor oil pack? I've shared before in my videos how it works. What is castor oil and how do you make a pack with it? Castor oil is an oil that can make big changes in your lifestyle and detox your whole body. And it's the only oil that you can apply to your skin and it will detox your whole body, from your kidneys, your liver, anywhere you name it, wherever you apply it. It detoxifies, relieves joint pain, soothes muscle aches, and can even eliminate arthritis. That's why every night I apply castor oil to my knees, elbows, stomach, and over my liver and kidneys, and I sleep with it on. But what I did was I got a pack. I ordered this pack from Temu. It comes in 2 pieces. One is for the abdomen. You pour the castor oil onto this part, wrap it around your stomach, and it sticks comfortably from the back. You can sleep with it on at night. This pack is really quick, easy, and great because it sticks well and is easy to open. You don't need to wrap anything else around it, and the second piece is for the neck. If you have thyroid issues, this is for you. If I had known about this before I had my thyroid surgery, I would have done it. Pour the castor oil here, wrap it around your neck, and sleep with it at night. You won't believe what a huge difference this can make in your life, how much it can solve your problems and detox your whole body. I actually want another one myself. Using this is absolutely amazing. It's all cotton, super soft, and if you don't know how to make a castor oil pack, I'll put the video for you in the video description section. Go check it out to see how it's done. In that video, I introduced a castor oil pack, but this one is even better. Okay, now this is another interesting thing that's also related to me and to castor oil again. I bought these from Teemu. These aren't flowers, guys. These are something really interesting. I bought them again for the castor oil pack. Every night, I always put a drop of castor oil in my belly button before I go to sleep. It's great for health and pretty much anything you can think of. These are actually patches that you open up and use. It looks like this, and you stick it onto your belly button. Look guys, you open it up like this, right? The center part is designed so you can put a drop of castor oil there, then you stick it right in the middle and you don't have to worry about the castor oil moving around or leaking. It stays put and gets absorbed. It goes into your belly button, and it's said that you should pour castor oil into your navel. Through your belly button, it gets distributed throughout your whole body because the navel is one of the body's most important energy points. So when you put castor oil there and sleep with it overnight, it refreshes all the energy and systems in your body, and it has so many benefits that I have to mention it. There are levels to this. I bought it to do every night, and guys, you wouldn't believe it. The prices I had to pay for this are just unimaginable for this quality. I mean, I guarantee to you the things I'm sharing with you, the quality is top notch and #1. So don't even have the slightest doubt that the quality could be bad. Another thing I want to talk about and introduce, which is really popular, is the butter dish. Look how stylish and high quality it is. From now on, I want to use this for my butter. I want to keep the butter outside at room temperature, not in the fridge anymore. So I was looking for a convenient, practical, and actually stylish butter dish, and that's why I bought this one. And if I compare its price with other websites, it's honestly unbelievable. It's so stylish, nice, and beautiful that I wanted to share it with you. Plus, it's pretty big, so it easily fits a whole stick of butter. For me, its size is big enough to fit the butter inside. Another thing I bought, which is really for winter, is a stylish hat. Guys, I saw this style of hat in a store outside. It was in a shopping mall that claimed everything was on sale. I mean, compared to other places, the price was supposed to be much lower. The price of that hat was 18 times higher. This is the exact same hat that I ordered. Now, I really like this style of hat. It makes women look so stylish and beautiful, and it's also really warm. I thought I'd show it to you right now so you don't forget. Look how pretty the style is. It's one of those loose-fitting hats that sits relaxed on your head, which I really like. You just put it on your head like this, and it looks really chic and beautiful. You see, guys, it fits perfectly. And here, let's not forget, it has jewelry that sparkles and looks really beautiful and lovely. I really like how it frames the ears nicely. It keeps me warm, but it's also really beautiful and gives off a feminine vibe, which I really love. And I also got another hat that I'll show you now. This hat is vintage, an old-fashioned style, and it's really beautiful. I chose this color because it's a vintage shade. I'll show you now how it should look on you. You see, it's one of those vintage hats. It's pretty. I think I'd put it on right, if I'm not mistaken. I bought a pair of stylish women's gloves for winter. Guys, I think this one is really cool. Let me put it on and show you. You won't believe it. Guys, just feel the material. If you saw it, like for the price I paid and what I'm actually feeling in my hands right now, I can't believe it myself. And just look at how stylish it is, how chic it looks on a lady, and how it makes your style look beautiful. You see, guys? It's really pretty. It's so elegant and beautiful. It reminded me of old movies. This design really took me back. Just like in the old movies. And also, this has something on the fingertip, something special for touching iPads and iPhones. So when you want to use your iPhone or your phone, you don't need to take off your gloves. You can touch your phone with this too. By the way, you might be wondering where I got this beautiful bracelet and these gorgeous rings. I got them from Teemu as well. I'll put the links for all of them for you. Okay, let's move on to the next cool little thing I bought. Something I genuinely require are these specific glass jars that I'm planning to utilize in order to facilitate the healthy sprouting of nutritious legumes. I actually put different sprouts in these, and once they grow, I add them to salads, put them in sandwiches, and eat them. I even do this for breakfast. 2 of them came in the box. Look how great these are. They have mesh lids so you can easily drain the water. When you wash the sprouts every day, just rinse the seeds, drain them, and you don't need to use any cloth, mash, or do anything else. Just put the lid back on. It's really quick and easy like this, and it's pretty cool. Just look. This is actually a black cover that you can put the jar inside. And since sprouts need to grow in a dark place so they can develop properly and their vitamin content increases a lot, I bought 2 of these. If you want, I can show you something even cooler about them. It comes with a tray and a rod. So you place these on the rod and they stay tilted and the water drains automatically. So you no longer need to find a special spot for it. This was always a problem I had. Look guys, do you see this rod? You place the jar on it like this. It's so compact and small here, and you can easily, when you set the jar like this, look, the water goes right into this tray. It doesn't make a mess anywhere, and it's super neat and tiny. You can grow a ton of sprouts. Another thing I bought, and I want to tell you about it because you won't believe how interesting it is. I bought it for my husband, for if anyone has back pain or pain in their back. This thing is a very traditional Chinese item that you can't find just anywhere. I ordered it directly from China, from Temu. I read about it, and it works really well. It's a Chinese medicine made from various herbs shaped into a stick that you light on fire. And the smoke from those burning herbs in the medicine relieves and soothes the pain. It's really interesting, and you can't find this just anywhere. These are herbs that have been dried and aged for 10 years, becoming very mature and reaching their peak quality. And the Chinese have turned this into a traditional Chinese medicine. In fact, they've put it up for sale, which is really interesting. And you light it up and capture its smoke. You apply the smoke to the area where the pain is, and it quickly relieves the pain. Guys, you should definitely get it if you have pain, especially back pain, or really any pain. I got it for my back pain, but it's suitable for all kinds of pain. Okay, let me open this up for you and show you what it looks like. For example, I couldn't find this at all in England. Can you believe something of this quality is actually made in China? Well, what could be better? Even if it's made in China, doesn't matter if it works. Look guys, do you see? I want to tell you its name. It's all written in Chinese on it, guys. But if I want to tell you its name, the name is actually pretty hard to pronounce. But I think its abbreviation is Maxi, if I'm not mistaken. It's made from forbidden plants. Well, not that the plants themselves are forbidden. For example, you can find these plants here, but usually using them too much or smoking them is prohibited. In some countries, for example, there's a plant called makurt. This is a plant that if you drink too much of its tea or smoke it a lot like a cigarette, it can make you hallucinate. What I mean is, it can take you to another dimension, to another universe. It can really open your mind's eye. The moment you take it, whether you eat it or smoke it, it gives you lucid dreaming, meaning you experience very vivid, crystal clear, and real dreams. That's why things like that have been made from it. That's one of those plants. Okay, now let me show you this, guys. This is what it looks like, each one of these. You have to smoke one of these and inhale the smoke into that part. There was a traditional Chinese wooden device, actually a handheld device. It's a wooden thing, and now it has compartments inside. Sorry, my bad. Oh, excuse me. This isn't wood. These are those same Moxas, and they smell really good too. It came with this. So when I bought this, this came with it too. Okay, so what do? You light one end of the Moxa. You put it here. Okay? Then when you put it here, the smoke passes through like this, and you can easily hold it over the painful area. And you won't believe how much relief it can give. I'll make a separate video just about pain, showing exactly how to use this for it. Let me show you. This one I used is also for pain. It's the same thing. It's made of the exact same maxi material that's used inside the pads, and when you stick these pads onto your body, they heat up and transfer all those herbs I mentioned to you. You apply it to the painful area, and it got amazing reviews, but you can't find this anywhere. I mean, these tubes and this kind of pad, you just can't find them anywhere. I bought this from Temu from China, and it comes with 4 or 5 packs. I'll talk more about these in the video as a kind of traditional Chinese medicine. I prepare it and apply it to the painful area so you can see what it looks like. What else is related to this? It's that same herbal pad that sticks to your body. These are also really good for pain. You see, there were 100 or 200, I don't know, in one pack. All of these are dried herbs, and you basically peel off the backing and stick it on. You put it on the painful spot, and it draws the pain out, which is really, really good. These are all traditional Chinese medicines, which have some things you probably can't find anywhere else in the world. You can only order them from there, and all these items that I got from the guys arrived within a week. From China to England. And for just a week, that's really good, especially at this price. I had to share all of this with you. I'll put the links for all of these in the description and the video, so you can find and check them out easily. For example, when I say I bought this item, if you go and search for it, you'll see 100 different versions of it. The one I bought myself had good reviews, the delivery was reliable, and everything about it was great. That's the one whose link I've shared for you. I've put it in the description, the video, and the first comment. Make sure to check carefully and order from that exact link. Otherwise, you might order something else and then say it wasn't it. I've put all of these up for you. Go ahead, make a purchase, and get started. Enjoy your life and feel good.